Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Monday, May 7th, 2001, 8 am. My son will take the step on his own initiative when he is ready. We should not rush things. He has adapted himself to this means of communication with us and it has become important for him. He needs this comfort and he will be requesting it more and more. He is going through very hard moments. He is giving of his person very much. His spiritual work takes up an important place. At his level, it is ceaseless. Then, in addition to this, there are human contacts and relationships that he must deal with as well as many travels. The great masters of the past did not have to face all the constraints of modern life. Their travels did not consist in visiting the five continents. The most motivated aspirants were coming towards them. It takes unfailing physical strength to face up to things. There is no holiday for him, and a great moral strength is also necessary for him. Abhasis do not really realize what his life is. They are sometimes demanding and do not understand his reactions. Humanly speaking, he is not a superman. A day comprises only 24 hours on this earth, and a master, however great he may be, cannot be physically everywhere at the same time. Our aspirant should grow wiser on this point and better admit it. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. My son would like to come towards you. Give him time. No, you have not come to the end of your road. Everything about these messages is being put in place as per our wishes. You can see how much we have progressed these past few months. My dear daughter, we understand your lassitude, your exhaustion, your live in isolation while giving much of yourself. Your strengths are not unlimited. We reinvigorate you as much as possible. Your courage provides for the rest. As we already said, these messages are soaring. They inspired my son and fed the hearts of Abbasi's during the celebrations of April 30th. This is just a beginning. We hope that your meeting will take place. The prevailing circumstances in France are not conducive to it for the moment, but it is being prepared in the secrecy of your hearts and it will take place on place one way or another. The current means of communications are very sophisticated. They provide for feats that will perhaps compensate for an actual meeting. We must consider this possibility, but we have great hopes for my son traveling with the objective of visiting France. Continue your work without worrying about the rest and remain completely surrendered. These messages are in good hands. We appreciate your choice, which is judicious. They remain nevertheless entirely placed under your vigilance for the remainder of your lifetime. Babuji Maharaj.